Klein & Company has served the global specialty chemicals sector for over 60 years with industry-leading market research and management consulting services. Now, we are excited to introduce a brand new Power BI-enabled delivery platform for our renowned global personal care ingredients service. The service includes a user-friendly dashboard that you can navigate with very simple and intuitive clicks to find information on over 250 ingredients. The platform is informed by a vast database for all 250 ingredients in 8 key regional markets. The dashboard provides easy-to-use visualizations of data for each ingredient by region, including volume, value, price, and supplier market share, with both forecast data to 2026 and historical data reporting back to 2015. And for each ingredient, analysis is provided by supplier, naturality, formulation, application, and much more. The Global Personal Care Ingredients Service continues to include all the qualitative information we have always provided, but is so much easier to access and use thanks to the powerful data visualization and analysis tool. And all new for 2022, Klein has added 50 additional ingredients and full market coverage of Africa. So, what are the key benefits of Klein's Global Personal Care Ingredients Service now that it is Power BI enabled? First and foremost, you have ready and easy access to Klein's industry-leading data to support decision-making by marketing, research and development, and product development. The service also provides metrics needed to assess product portfolio optimization. With the dashboard and database, you can easily identify and evaluate business development opportunities and have key industry performance data at your fingertips to support strategic planning and resulting investment and resource decisions. To learn more about Klein's Power BI Global Personal Ingredients Service, contact us at the information below to schedule a meeting and request a demo. We look forward to meeting your needs because at Klein, our purpose is to help our clients succeed.